My name is Dan Kallenberger. I am an instructor at a technical college teaching visual communications and Photoshop as well as other Adobe products. I am going to be showing you Photoshop CS2 today.
We're going to use the crop tool for this image here again. We're going to pick the cropping tool, which is the third one down on the left in the tool palette. It's a cropping tool because when we were in the days of magazine editing, there used to be a tool that looked like this. That is why that tool looks this way. There's actually two L's brought together with a metal beam in between it, and it would actually use that to trace where the crop would be. Cropping is simply just changing the layout of your photograph. If you want to cut out the edges and you don't want all the extra space in there, maybe that your image became slightly to the left, you can actually then use the cropping tool and choose the checkbox in the upper corner and select the checkbox, and you'll get the cropping tool along with the sunset. So say we don't want all this extra sky and we want it more of a horizontal shot, what we can do is we can crop that down and click the checkbox, and that is the cropping tool.